Hello students, how are you? Today we all have learned about the next chapter, combustion and flames. Next chapter, combustion and flames. Combustion and flame. In our daily life, we are generally observed to burning of some materials, that is some oils, wood, papers, etc. These materials are burned for the various purposes. तो व्हाट आर द बर्निंग, हाउ बर्निंग टेक्स प्लेस. जो बर्न हो रहा है वो कौन सी प्रोसेस है, क्या प्रोड्यूस होता है इसमें. द टर्म विच आर यूज फॉर बर्निंग ऑफ एनीथिंग्स इज नोन एज कंबस्टन. नोन एज कंबस्टन. हिंदी में इसे क्या कहते हैं? दहन. बर्न होना, जलना, दहन होना. तो व्हाट इज द कंबस्टन, हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन कंबस्टन? दैट इज द प्रोसेस. कंबस्टन क्या है? इट इज द प्रोसेस इन विच एनी सब्सटेंस और द सब्सटेंस react with oxygen and produce heat. ओके. कंबक्शन क्या है? वह प्रोसेस इसमें कोई भी मटेरियल, कोई भी सब्सटेंस है, ऑक्सीजन के साथ वो रिएक्शन करता है और फिर क्या प्रोड्यूस होती है? हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है. और उस हीट का यूज हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में डिफरेंट पर्पस में करते हैं. ओके. तो इट इज नोन एज कंबस्टन. कंब्यूस्टिबल. The materials which used in combustion or the materials which used or which take part in combustion is known as combustible. The term used for that materials is the combustible. Okay. Fuels इंधन. The materials which take part in the combustion is known as fuels. That is different types of oils, that is petroleum oils, wood, papers, etc. So based on combustions of the material are not, it is two types, combustible and non-combustible. And non-combustible. Combustible, the materials which undergoes combustion or take part in combustion is known as combustible. That is paper, wood, oil, petroleum oils, etc. Non-combustible, the substance or material which does not undergoes combustion is known as non-combustible. Example: stone, iron, glass, etc. So it is the differences between combustible and non-combustible materials. Okay. The combustion takes place generally in the presence of airs. Combustion जो प्रोसेस है वो एयर के प्रेजेंस में होता है. इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एयर द combustion कैन नॉट बी कंप्लीटेड. इनकम्प्लीट combustion हो जाए. तो air is necessary for the combustion. We can express or explain with the help of very simple activities. For activities, we take candles and glass chimneys. One, two, three. Please. Okay, this is the three. We take a candle and burn it. It flames. Candle. We keep two sticks on the plates, and on this we kept a glass chimneys. Glass. One. The second case, the candle, glass chimneys. Second, in the third conditions, glass chimneys and its part is covered. Okay. In the first case, the candle burns continuously because the air enters below. Air enters below because the sticks are kept by which some space are present below. Due to this, air enters and the candles burn continuously. Okay. In the second case, we kept chimneys on the plates. Due to this, the gap is not present in the plates and air does not enter in them, and much of fumes are formed in them. In the third conditions, the chimney is kept on plates and its upper parts covered. Due to this, the candle goes off, push gayi ho, because air is not present in them. In the absence of air, the candle does not burn continuously. So it is explained by this experiments, the air is necessary for the combustion. मतलब किसी भी चीज को बर्न होने के लिए, जलने के लिए क्या चाहिए? एयर. इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एयर, combustion does not completed fully. Oxygen is necessary. Okay. Ignition temperature. Ignition temperature the temperature on which, either lowest temperature on which any substance or materials catch fire. वह मिनिमम टेम्परेचर, वह लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर जिसपे कोई भी सब्सटेंस जल्दी से या आसानी से आग पकड़ लेता है या कैच फायर इजिली, इज नोन एज इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. द डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस हैव ओन इग्निशन टेम्परेचर्स. हर एक मटेरियल का, हर एक सब्सटेंस का अपना अलग अलग इग्निशन टेम्परेचर होता है कि वो कितने मिनिमम टेम्परेचर पर इजिली फायर कैच कर सकते हैं, जल्दी से वो आग को पकड़ सकते हैं. वो क्या कहलाएगा? उसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. द वुड and cooking oils do not catch fire easily on their room temperatures, but when they are heated for sometimes they catch fire easily. Inflammable those materials which catch fire very easily, very lowest temperatures, is known as inflammable. That is LPG, पेट्रोलियम. These are the inflammable, जो बहुत ही ऐसे मटेरियल्स, ऐसे सब्सटेंस जो बहुत ही जल्दी से फायर को कैच कर लेते हैं, कांटेक्ट में आते ही तुरंत वो उनमें आग लग जाती है. वो क्या कहलाते हैं? इनफ्लेमेबल. एग्जाम्पल आपका LPG and other natural gases and some petroleums are the very inflammable. Okay, today some topics are completed of the chapters combustion and flames. Okay.